Hey guys, it's Pink here with NeverGiveUp.
Hi.
Go follow her channel. So there's a zombie apocalypse out there. It's called Bird Apocalypse.
And you might hear us scream.
And we have the freaking window open, and they want to kill us. So when she was, when NeverGiveUp was running here, she almost got eaten by whole birds, not whole.
And we also
dogs.
have dogs trying to break in.
Which is more scarier. And on our way here, a bird almost ate my brains.
And we had to get my mom to come and go on the street with us to run us back.
We
almost got
freaking
eaten.
asked to drive. I told NeverGiveUp to bring the car. She should have brought that, but we're not young enough to drive. Old enough.
I mean,
Open it.
we're
Let
scared.
me see a bird. Tweet, tweet! Tweet, tweet!
My
It's
voice
gonna be
is cracking.
horrible. Don't show any license plates. Yeah. I can hear like a freaking owl.
No, keep it open. We're scaredy cats. Let's get on our knees.
But at my friend's house, guess what? If you scream, people would call 911 and you would get arrested.
Oh.
Because it sounds like you're going to get murdered.
We're
Tweet, tweet,
scared.
tweet, tweet.
Tweet, tweet.
I can't whistle. I lost my whistling abilities a long time ago. Hold on. I can't do that.
Guys, we suck at everything. I think they're leaving us alone now. I want to get on the roofs for some reason.
But it's raining!
So.
Oh no! Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
He's lying. I'm leaving it open.
No suspicions. If I drop my tablet, my grandma's gonna kill me. Because it's not mine.
No.
Here it comes! Where'd it go?
He disappeared and oh, there he is.
Where?
He flew over there.
Okay, we're like bird watchers. Open it up more.
What? It flew in.
It's trying to freaking scare us. It's gonna come back over here.
I think it flew over there.
My hands are all sweaty now. I'm scared. Bird watching is horrible. That was just a like fly, whatever.
This is
I feel like
scary.
the cat's in here.
This
I don't
is
know
scary,
why.
guys.
Never do this when birds are angry, especially when you live like next door, and birds are at your window trying to. OMG! Where'd it go?
He's over there. He flew around.
I can hear thunder.
Oh my
Where'd it
god!
go? I thought it was coming in. Birds! Where'd it go?
Oh my god, guys, this is so scary.
This is nerve-wracking.
Oh, he's up there.
Where?
He flew up there. Oh, there he is. Oh,
Where'd it go? I'm keeping it right here. I'm scared.
No, leave it open.
My hands are sweaty, and I have to keep one. I'll do like this.
This is
Huh.
scary, guys.
Especially when the window's wide open. See?
Mm-hmm.
He's
Oh, there's a bird over there.
Where?
He flew over there.
I think it's that mean one. Why you keeping touching my butt?
I'm not touching my pocket.
So on one of my videos, my friend, he said the H word, and I yelled at him in Roblox and said, "Boy, this is the family friendly. Boy, you can't swear on my channel." You can swear off the channel, but not on the channel. And so was like,
Oh my gosh, I thought the dog was a bird.
and so he was like, oops, sorry, YouTube. But I didn't get that part. I mean, I got the sorry one. But it was Meep City, and he got the freaking kitchen, and he made like 10 pizzas. Where'd he go? I saw a bird. Caw-caw! Caw-caw! That's how you do it. I dare us to stick our heads out when a bird flies by. I have a tablet, so I better not drop it.
I want to sit on the roof so bad. Do
When
you?
when there's like a pool down there, or where'd it go?
He's over there. Zoom in on him.
I can't freaking find him. I don't know where he went.
He flew over there somewhere. I'm scared.
It's like hair in my camera.
Where'd
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? It's not gonna get us unless we stick our heads out.
He's coming around town. He's going around town.
Where'd it go?
He went in the tree. He's coming around. Coming around town, guys. Coming around town. I'm weird.
Yeah.
You go.
And if you want to follow Never Give Up, her channel's Never Give Up 0303.
Slime. Never give up slime.
But isn't it Shadow Pony something?
No, that's my main one.
Oh.
Oh, by the way, guys, I don't know. I was going to say something and then I kind of forgot.
About birds.
Oh, yeah.
Go bird watching.
By
That's
the
cool.
way, I haven't posted that video yet of bird slime. I'm going to post it tomorrow.
Why
no,
not today?
I'm going to post it today.
Because me, for uploading it takes like 1 minute. I want to see Jada tomorrow.
I know.
But her name is so not Jada. Her name is.
Oh, you said
Shadow.
Jada. It's Jaden, not Jada.
Oh, duh.
We're stupid.
The noise I just made sound like a weird cutting board. I'll stick my hand out. My hands are all muddy. Come at me. What if we had bird food? That'd be horrible. And we set it right here.
No.
That'd be horrifying.
Yeah.
They would be trying to get in. That looks like freaking poo. Look at it.
Looks like a flat
Remember that
poop.
time when we hid in the closet and thought that had a robber broken?
Oh yeah.
That was hilarious. because we saw like this weird stump thing.
Yeah.
I don't.
It scared us.
We thought that it was like a car, and
And
so me and her flipped out,
then
and
we
she
heard-
hid in the closet.
So my stepdad has like a really deep voice, but it sounded more high pitched, and so I thought it was Mike. I mean, I thought it was someone else, but it was actually my stepdad, which his name is Mike. Just saying.
Mhm. Did you guys just see that green flash of
Yeah,
light?
there's a green flash of light. I don't know if it'll show up, but that's
It
why we
might.
went quiet, because we were like, what?
You're
What
like,
happened?
what?
Oh, they're
Those
not-
people never leave their lights on. But yesterday, that window light was on, and now that window light is on. Like, they're never freaking home. Wait,
Granny 2.0.
who lives there again?
I don't know, their car isn't there, but their light is on.
Didn't you say that?
We're not getting any action, so I think we should probably end it.
Well, thank you guys for watching.
Yeah.
Hope you have a great day.
Bye.